this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a beautiful tablescape for you that I will be showing you, and it's a silver and white tablescape that I have done, all right, and it's a place setting for 4. This tablescape is beautiful for any dinner party, wedding, or even a girl's day or a girl's night in, all right? So here on my channel, you will see event decor designs, you will see balloon designs, and you will also see beautiful tablescapes. So I hope that you all like this video. Don't forget to comment and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family. So let me show you my tablescape. All right, so here is my silver and white tablescape. As you see, I have added this beautiful silver napkin, and all I did was just tie it on the side and just wrap it around the soup bowl. I have my white bowls there, as well as a clear plate that's on top of the white plate. And here is this beautiful shoe, and it's actually a where you can add a table number there. And I added some candy in that cute little dessert. It's like a little dessert bowl or dessert cup. And I added my beautiful wine glasses, as well as this beautiful table runner that I have in the middle of the table. And there's my candle and my candle holder, and I just added on top of it. And I added candles down the middle of the table to give it that beautiful romantic feel. And right here I added some water inside this vase, and I added a floating candle. Later on in the video you will see it. And this is a place setting for 4 people. So I shot my home. I did not have to purchase anything. Everything that you see here on this table came from the items I already had at home. So this just showed that you can decorate your table for any occasion on a, if you have a very low budget. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money at doing a beautiful tablescape, because I did not spend anything. I already had everything here at home. So this tablescape is beautiful. And like I said, it's a no-cost tablescape.